What's up, guys? I'm me, Vincenzo. In today's video, we're going to be opening up this Sage 3 autographs in every box. I don't know. Alright. So let's get right into it. Stop. What are you doing? Stop. Alright, come on. Don't even try. Don't even try to go. Okay, how much? These are the special cards. So how much pack? They're these. Oh. Those are the packs. Yeah. So that's the special pack. The most special pack in the world. Alright, wait. I mean in the box. So I get 3, you get 2 plus this. So you get to open that. We're doing this. No, we're doing this at the end. Okay, but put that right there. Put that right there. Alright. I have to open it. Alright, I go first. Okay. I'm going first. I know. I know. Come on. What to do? Tim Demarat, Eric Gray, Cade Warner, E.J. Jenkins, Xavier Hutchinson, Jake Hayner, Trey Palmer, Tamir Abdabor. Oh, Will Levis. Nike. Will Levis, whatever. Nike. Devin Witherspoon. Nike. Devin Witherspoon. Joey Porter Jr. Witherspoon. What? DJ Turner. Witherspoon. CJ Stroud, all rookie team. And a next level Michael Mayer. Michael Myers up in the house. Hold on. Yeah. So, guess I'm taking over the camera. We're back. I'm back. Can you help? Soda. Dang, we got a Bryce Young. Soda. Look at this Bryce Young, bro. Soda. Stop. Soda. Hands up. Oh, we already have a Bryce Young here. Give me. Bryce Young. Give me that. Chase Brown. Braden Willis. Michael Wilson. Drewood Davis. Or Drewood, I don't know. Jaron Hall. Darius Davis. Will Levis, whatever. Okay. A next level Zach Charbonnet. Ronnie Heckman. Jalen Jones. Jack Campbell. Next level Zach Charbonnet. Wait, that's the same one. Yeah, duplicate. Duplicate. Wait, that's another duplicate. Duplicate. I call it duplicate.
1, 2.
1, 2. Look at my shoes. And then we got these two. Stop, Sophia. Chips. What's this? Zach Charbonnet? Zach Charbonnet? Or Bullet. Zach Charbonnet. Okay. Clayton Toon. Charles McLean. Darius Davis. Trey Palmer. Tria Softshire. David Acne. Or Achney. Treya Schaffsmore.
Just say the word.
Drew Sanders. Ooh. CJ Stroud, all rookie team. Will Anderson Jr. Miles Murphy.
What?
Jair Brown. Josh Downs, next level. And Chase Brown, next level.
Trace battle, no.
Alright, your turn,
I
Sammy.
mean level.
Your turn.
Okay. Get your face out of my way.
Go!
Gracefully.
Okay, Zach Charbonnet, Deontay McMahon, Josh Downs, Justin Shorter, Jalen Brooks, Titus Swin, Xavier Hutchinson, Tank Bigsby, Dalton Kinksad, Will Levis, Atovia Bumore War, Drew Sanders, next level Trey Palmer,
Whatever.
and a Dalton Kincaid.
Another one.
Duplicate.
Duplicate. Duplicate. Stupid. What's my name? What's my name? What's my name, Slappy Head? What's my money? What's faster than mine? Oops, fell off the bed.
Alright. Kepis Johnson III, Israel Abdinka, Rakeem Jarrett, Jordan Addison,
Fell off the bed.
Luke Musgrave, Bryce Young, Rakeem Jarrett, Ronnie Hickman, Michael Mayer,
1, 2, 1,
Ryan Greenhagen,
1.
Luke Van Ness, Emmanuel Forbes, Will Anderson Jr. all-rookie team, and the Jordan Addison all-rookie team.
Jordan.
All right.
Addison.
Now,
Now
now it's time for this. Wait, Sophie, what if you do the first card, I do the second, and you do the third?
No.
I do the middle, you do the two outsides.
Okay.
Yeah, you better. Stop.
Song. say sage. I
It
say.
says sage.
I think I don't know how to read.
Yeah, I think you don't.
I kind of
Alright.
do. I sort of.
Alright.
Sort of.
Here, show them. Show them. Show them.
Sign
You got a
card.
Colin Duncan. Give me it. Come on, I did a minute. Josh Hayes. Josh Hayes.
I got a beard.
Here, show them. Show them. And Christian Sims. Okay.
Bye.
And
Bye.
these are the 3
Bye, Claudia.
signed. Okay. That is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.